Hi! In front of me is LENOVO Tab M8 410, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then select Edit button next to the delete one and change wherever you wish to. Lastly, click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my username and password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!